reference qualifier. Very important question and very important topic also, right? So, right, good. Go to this application. What is our application?
Seat
Hybrid
allocation.
seat allocation.
Hybrid seat
Hybrid seat
allocation.
allocation.
Hybrid seat allocation. Very good. I think someone are using my instance, correct? You are using my instance and you are trying to replicate the same applications. Very nice. Okay, good. So, okay, let me ask one question here. Okay, hybrid seat allocation request, I am raising it, or I will raise it, or I will raise for someone, right? So, which field I will use to represent the employee here? This employee field, correct?
Employee first.
Employee number.
Yes.
Employee, okay. So now, okay, so I'm going to employee field is a reference field that comes that gets the data of user table. Is that correct statement?
Correct.
Correct.
Everyone correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now here you see something. Okay. You see something. Please check your mics, ma. Okay. So here in 647 users, okay, 12 users are active false. First thing. Okay. So among those 12 users, I take one user, Andrew OCH. Okay. Now I am selecting Andrew OCH here. Okay. And will raise a request. Is that correct?
No.
Anyone say yes here?
No.
No. Why we can't raise a hybrid seat allocation for a person who is inactive in the system?
You do not
We
have
can
access.
raise, but what is the
He's
use of
not the
that
member
field?
of, I mean,
He is not the member of the organization, so why to raise for him? Okay, good thing, right? Everyone understood this point, ma? Is that valid point?
Yes, sir.
First time learners, is that valid point?
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am raising a request here and I can see all the members here, not only active true, active false, right? So I can see everyone here. Why I need to see everyone? Why shouldn't I see only active users? Okay, as per the definition, I should not raise a hybrid seat request for inactive users. So let's make it only active users. Okay, so my requirement here is when I look up in the reference field, I should see only active users here. This is my requirement. I am writing my requirement. Okay, so just check this requirement. You will understand why I discussed that first point. Okay, requirement is limit. Okay, only active users for employee employee field. This is one requirement. Everyone clear this requirement?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
First thing, everyone, this requirement is clear, ma? First time learners. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next thing, in the same thing. Okay. Again, one more topic. Okay. Assignment group is also there. Okay. Here you see maybe 58 assignment groups, but you don't know how many assignment groups are exactly active true, active false. So let's get only them. So let me add active true also here. Active field here. We can just check here only. Right. So now out of here, I don't want to see these active groups. I don't. Very good. There are no active groups. Give me 1 second. So I'm framing maybe 2 3 scenarios. Okay. So let's do all the 3 scenarios. Okay. So that we will finish that reference qualifier concept in a nice manner. Okay. So maybe I'm making this one false. Okay. And dun, 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 dun. Okay. Let's say these groups are not available in the system. People, they are old groups. Okay. So now when I raise a hybrid request, I should only see, okay, active groups here. That's my requirement. Okay, so 58, I should not see, I should see only active tickets. I should not see other groups here. This is what my requirement, correct? So these groups I should not see. I should see only these groups. Second requirement. Correct, ma? Is this requirement second is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Third requirement also I will do. Okay, active groups for assignment group field. Okay. Third requirement is, so I'm talking about something called reference qualifier. Remember, I am taking only reference fields. Okay. So first thing is I will just give the definition of reference field. Okay. There you will get that same sentence again. Okay. So sir, active true, active false. It looks very easy, sir, to understand. Okay. We'll do something something maybe. Okay. Something okay extra. Okay. Let's see here. Assign to no. Assign to I should see only ITL users. Same like incident management. Okay. So assign to limit only ITIL users, role users. Okay. For assign to. This requirement is clear.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So fourth one, there is an approver here where it is also kind of lookup. Okay. Where you see users here. Okay. We'll do something very kind of maybe we'll see something good here. Okay. Maybe more conditions we will see. First thing is okay. VIP true. I want to get only VIP true. How many users are no? VIP. Okay. So let's say VIP false. I want okay. These people should not be VIP false. Get more. Okay. First thing. Second thing is these people should have minimum email ID. So email ID should not be null. They should have email ID. Okay. And they should have also manager. So the approver who we are selecting here. Okay. They should have email ID. Sorry. They should have manager. They are not VIP users. So these 25 users, this criteria we need to apply for approval. This is more good. Yes.
Yeah, more complex.
Not more complex, more good. Okay. There is no complexity here. It's very simple. Okay. So approvers. Okay. Limit with below conditions. Okay. VIP should be false and email should not be empty. Email and manager should not be empty. Correct. Right. So these are our four important requirements, my reference qualifier. Now can we start? Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So first, what is
So,
reference? Yes, ma'am.
can you please open that update set if you can track that one?
Update set. Okay, very good, very nice. Okay, so you are actually the developer, ma'am. You are the yes, correct. You are only the developer here. Seriously, even I am not a developer. I am teacher. Okay, so see here, I opened the update set. Very nice. Okay, so 45 are there, and also created. I just yeah 5 minutes ago. I think I did something. I did something. I added the list to active. Good. So now, shall we start?
Sir,
Yes, ma.
question. Uh, Even if you don't open the update set, it still records our
It
activities,
will
right?
record, ma. You know
Then
it.
why the need?
It is for our reference. Now we want to learn
Okay.
what are the things it is capturing it to
So then
understand.
when we need it, we can open it when like.
Whenever you want to check that time also you can open it. But
Okay.
generally, the developer mindset they will open this page alive and then
Okay.
keep
Okay.
on check it.
It's a continuous monitoring.
It's a continuous monitoring and you will feel good where what are the things are capturing. You will get confidence and we also learn something. Okay, good. Let's start. First of all, I will do one thing. Okay, first thing I will do. Okay, and it's very simple. You will understand it. Once we understand that, then I will give the definition, and then we will also do these things. Okay, this is our program. Okay, first thing is first employee field. When I look up here, okay, I should see only active equal to active users. I should not see inactive users. That means out of 647 members, okay, I should see only, okay, 635 members. Is that correct statement?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So it's the reference field. Okay, just keep this page alive. Control Alt. Okay. So here, okay, reference qualifier is only for reference field. Okay. So you go to dictionary, right? And when you say reference specification, only for reference field I am saying, okay, this is reference field. For that reference field only you will see reference specification. Okay, we know that because we select table here. Okay. So reference specification, where you select a table now, underneath that you have something called, okay, to set some condition you have something. So whenever you see something like this, you call it as condition builder. Okay, condition builder is to set the condition. Correct? Okay. So reference qualifier, there are three types of reference qualifier. Don't touch it. Let it be simple. Okay. What condition you want to make it? Active equal to true, right? This field, this filter you want to apply. So apply the same filter here. Active true. Yesterday one person asked this question, maybe a female person. Sir, what is this, sir? Right? Active true, I applied it. Then save it. I went to reference qualifier, I applied a condition. That's it. A filter or a condition, whatever it is. Okay. So now after applying this one, then go now. Okay. Hybrid. Now look for the references. How many you see? 647 minus false people means 635 members who are active here. Is that correct? The
Yeah.
filter
Yes,
applied?
sir.
Yes.
Everyone, is
Yes.
that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone didn't understand this point?
Understood, sir.
Everyone, you all understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So that's it. Reference qualifier. Now I'm giving the definition of reference qualifier. Okay. Reference qualifier is to restrict the data of a reference field or column. Okay. You should not add or remove any single word from this definition. That's it. Reference qualifier is to restrict the data of a reference field. That's it. If you want to add little bit reference type field, you can add it. Okay. If you don't keep the word here reference, the meaning will be completely messed up. The abbreviation, what do you call reference qualifier?
Filter the data. Can we use the filter to filter the data of
If you say
reference
filter,
type?
it will go to filters, ma.
Yeah.
Okay, filters is yesterday we seen filters, na, applying filters, and then so that there it will go. So better use this one only. Reference qualifier is to restrict the data of your reference field. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, everyone, is that clear?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So reference qualifier is to restrict the data of your reference field. Very good. And first requirement done, active equal to true. Fine. So I'm going back again. Okay. So now set the second one. Right. So we'll do this one. Okay. You tell me how can I do? So I want to do this one. Tell me. Second requirement I want to
Go
do.
to the assignment group field, configure dictionary.
Configure assignment group.
Yeah, I'm going to. Okay. So see here, I will go to that. Okay. I just get. Okay. Right click. Configure
Dictionary.
dictionary. Yes. Very good. Then reference specification.
Reference specification.
Yeah.
Choose the field.
Yes.
Active equal to true.
active equal to true, maybe update it, submit it or update
Yeah.
it, whatever it is. Okay. Now look for this data, which is that restricting or not? 55, yes. Is that correct? 58 was the count, 55 is coming up, right? 3 false,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
So second one is also good, right? This is also done. Very simple, correct? Is that simple?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now third thing is, okay, types of reference qualifier. Okay. So for types of reference qualifier, we will use this one or we will use this one. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so here, what is the next requirement? The next requirement is for this assigned to, I should see only ITL users, correct?
Yes.
Out of 647 members, how many ITL users are there? Go to roles, okay, and then check for the role called ITL user, uh, ITL, right? And in ITL role, how many members are there?
2.
84 users are there, correct?
Okay.
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Now, this is what we needed. So now if I go and look up here, I should see 84 members. Okay, this is what right now my requirement is this one. Okay, later we will improve it. Okay, but 84 people I should see. So now I'm doing one step here. Okay, just to follow it, I'm going to users. Okay, I'm applying a filter here, right? Filter, just to see something called roles. Okay, is ITIL, the exact name of ITIL role. It's a small. Okay, run. So 80 people. Why 80 people? My 80, 84, 84. Uh-huh. 84 active true. Huh? Okay. In this one, 80 only showing. I don't know. Okay, why I don't know. Okay, 80 out of
The
84, no,
It is 84. Yeah.
but there it is 80 it is showing. No,
Yes. Yes.
ITL admins are also included or not?
no, ITL only. Then equal to this side. No, okay. So let it be more or less 80 people. Okay, the same count ITL users here we are seeing it. Okay, maybe some repetitive will be there. Okay, maybe we can check it or see it later. These 80 people I should see. Only these 80 people. Okay. So for this one, again tell me what I will need to do.
Assign to
Okay,
right
assign to, right click,
one.
configure.
Dictionary.
Configure dictionary.
Yes. Everyone, you are following that?
Reference specification.
Reference
Reference
specification
specification.
Yes.
and
Okay.
choose field.
Choose.
Instead of choosing field, what I do is I will use second option. Okay. Simple option. When you use simple option, you use condition builder. Okay. Simple reference qualifier, you use condition builder to set the condition. Okay. So now what else are there? Dynamic
Dynamic.
and advanced.
Dynamic and advanced.
So please check your mics now. Okay. So there are three types of reference qualifiers. Okay. So when it is simple advanced reference qualifier, we use condition builder to set the condition, to set the restriction, whatever it is. Okay. We also have two more reference qualifier, dynamic and advanced. So if it is advanced, what you do? Okay. So go here, say advanced. It given you a box. The box, you can write it in the box two things. Okay. Encoded query or JavaScript. JavaScript we see in phase 2, but we will see encoded query now. Okay. So see here, sir, I applied a filter here, na? Right? When you apply a filter in any list view, okay, so see this one. Okay, no, not this one. So in the list view, you applied a filter, na? At the edge of this filter, right click, copy query. Right? In the edge of this particular filter, you right click and copy query, and that copy query is encoded query. That's it. System will generate you a query. Okay, that query you get it and then you paste it here. That's it. You don't need to do anything. You need to apply the right filters, get the query, and then copy paste it here. This point is clear, ma? What is encoded query? We will see one more encoded query, okay? One more encoded query, we will see one more thing we will see. Even though I used encoded query, okay, system will understand, okay? Either it is a simple or advanced. System will understand both. Okay, for system it is same. For us, okay, how you want to apply the condition, it depends. Whatever the convenience you feel, okay, that is yours. So now let's see whether you should see 80 people here. Okay, so go to this one. The filter should be applied. ITL user is 80 people. Is that correct?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
So advanced, we used advanced and we used encoded query to apply the filter. Is that clear, everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now this requirement is also clear, right? Third requirement is also clear. Fine. Yes. Okay. Now see this one, approver one. We apply the filter, but the filter is having more. So now see here, approver is getting the things from user table. Yes. Apply all the filters here. Get the encoded query. Now you will understand the encoded query little better. Okay. First filter is what? VIP false, na? So
Yes.
VIP, okay, false, and manager, okay, is not empty, and email is not empty. Correct? These are the filters we would like to keep it. Correct? 25.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
25.
Yes.
So now, can we take the encoded query from here? Okay.
Yes.
Right click
Yes.
at the
Yeah.
edge. When you apply the filter, right click on the edge. Okay. Right click, copy query, and just see the query how it is coming up. Right? VIP false. The cap symbol is for and. We no need to understand this one, man. This is system readable one. Okay. Manager is not empty,
Email is not empty.
right? And email is not empty. This is like system readable format. You no need to you no need to scratch your head to understand. Okay. We will understand little later. But it is in the other format. The filters are converted into system readable format. One filter and symbol, another filter and symbol, another filter. Okay, we no need to understand this one, just to copy the filter. Okay, and go to this field. What is the field? Approver field, correct? The next requirement we are seeing, everyone, right? This requirement we are doing it. So approver field, it is also reference type field.
Configure dictionary.
Configure dictionary, yes. Reference specification,
And
right?
advanced.
Paste the encoded query. Very simple. No need to discuss, no need to think, no need to scratch our head. Okay. Copy the encoded query, paste here, then update it. Now shall we see the approvers? How many people will come here in the lookup? Is that correct filter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone.
There is no,
Yes, sir.
yeah, there is no way we can achieve this in simple way. That simple option.
You can do this one also with simple option. Okay, see here. The same thing. Okay. You can go. You can apply the same filter using simple also. Okay. If you feel simple is good, you can do with simple. If you feel advanced is good, you can do with advanced. So even though if you just use advanced or simple, system understand the same thing. Correct?
Okay, okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
you will come and say, okay, sir, I don't want to use encoded query, sir. Okay, I want to use it in simple. Go apply the filters here. Simple.
Okay, okay.
Right? Email is not empty. Okay, apply the same filters here. That's also simple. Okay, but we need to cover the concept now.
Yes, yes, yes. Understood.
Okay. What is the other filter, ma?
Dynamic. Email.
VIP is
Right?
false.
The same thing. I did the same thing, and if you do it like this, system will convert the same thing into like this. Our system
Oh,
is
okay.
same. Okay. How you want to use is your convenient. Nothing else.
So if we write JavaScript in the advanced field,
That
when we select an
no,
advanced,
that
the system will convert.
no ma. If you write it in a JavaScript mode, the system will not convert it. No. JavaScript is JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript will come like this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we see some samples later. Okay, we don't touch it now. So second way of reference qualifier is clear. Simple
Yes, sir.
reference
Yes, sir.
qualifier using condition builder we
Yes,
can
sir.
set it. Okay. Advanced reference qualifier we can use encode query and then set it up. JavaScript we are not touching it. Okay. Sir, what about dynamic reference qualifier? So dynamic reference qualifier also you can restrict the data, but here when it is in dynamic reference qualifier you use okay business rule or script include, which are okay which will come in our second phase last. Business rule will come first, script include will come last. Okay, so these two plus this one, these three will come only when we know scripting. Okay, I'm not going to touch anything with respect to scripting now. Okay, so we will discuss this part and we will discuss this part when we see in second phase. Okay, for now what we covered is what is reference qualifier. Reference qualifier is to restrict the data of your reference field. Good. What are the types of reference qualifier? Okay, there are three types of reference qualifier: simple, advanced, dynamic. In simple reference qualifier, we use condition builder to set the condition. In advanced reference qualifier, we use either encode query or a JavaScript to set the condition. Okay, what is encode query? Yes, separately covered. In dynamic reference qualifier, we use okay business rule or script include in the form of dynamic filter option. Okay, so we use dynamic filter option okay to set the dynamic reference qualifier. That's it. Fine. And can you give an example reference qualifier? Not one, I can give four. Fine now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if it's clear, first today, okay, we seen something called incident table. And in the incident table, okay, assign two is there. Okay, I created one group. I try to add the group members. Okay. Okay, something like this. See here. Service. Okay, let's see.
Tab.
Okay, TIPCO group is there, na? So I selected TIPCO group here. How many I can see? 8 people, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So
Yes.
let me see. Is the TIPCO group is ITL user? ITL group, I think someone used it. Okay. So now what I do is, first of all, no, it's not ITL, but it is from. Okay, remove it. This one will get ITL maybe, but let it be. Okay. So TIPCO support group is not ITL group. Very good. And one of the users from TIPCO is ITL user. Okay. So now see, right? Observe this one. Okay. Now we will observe the technical. Who can be? Okay. Now TIPCO group is there now. How many we can see assigned to? Why ma? Why everyone are assigned? I think everyone are ITL people ma. Separately they are ITL people. Very good. Nice selection. Whoever created this group now, I think I didn't create it, but someone created it. Okay. All are ITL people only. I can sense it. Okay, ITL, good. ITIL, yes. So what I'll do is, okay, I'll remove this person from all the groups, yes, except TIPCO. Okay, so now this one also, we need at least two. TIPCO, good. And ITIL. TIPCO doesn't have ITIL, na? Why it is coming? TIPCO support group.
They have manually added rules, I guess.
They are manually added also, very good. For Jyoti, okay. Correct one, they added manually. Okay, so think we have two people, right? So now see, out of 8 people from that group, okay, we have two references where they don't have ITL role. Okay, now let's continue the topic. Where is incident? Refresh it. TIPCO support group. Okay, TIPCO support group. Okay, so now see, Assigned to, how many I can see? 6 people. But the group is having 8 people, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right? The group is having 8 people, but I can see 6 people here. Why? Because, okay, as per the incident management definition, if anyone wants to work on an incident ticket, they should have a role called ITL role. So now can we see the configuration of it? So go to the dictionary of this assigned to and then see the reference qualifier. Is that correct? Because of this, we are able to see only ITL users. Yes or no?
Correct.
Everyone, is that clear?
Sir, we can
Yes,
remove
sir.
this.
We can remove it now. We can remove it, but it's out of the box one, na? Why we want to remove?
So, like it will not consume our license.
Oh, service now is not that much same people.
Easier, right?
Okay, good. So now you understand reference qualifier, yes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Sir, what?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
So someone who is not in that particular group, but he has ITL role. So in that case also we can see that person in the assigned to field.
See here, the answer is okay. How many ITL people are there in our organization? 80 people, correct?
Yes.
So without selecting a group, look for people. Maybe 79. I removed one person. Okay, good. 79. So you can see all the ITL people here.
Yes.
Yes. But when you select a group, then it will show only the group members of ITL people. There is another concept will come into picture here. Okay.
So this is instant table. What if our table?
Our table
So
also we
we
kept the restriction, no?
Sir, one question, sir.
No, let's her clear more. Now you understood ma it's assigned to ITL users restriction we kept it now ma. So you can see only ITL people here.
yeah. If we select the assignment group,
We didn't implement that logic here.
yeah, that is what my
We will do
question is.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will come on the way.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, got it.
Next point, please. Next question.
Assignment group, select the service desk.
Uh-huh.
How many people are assigned to? 6.
We didn't implement that logic in this table ma. That will be there in incident table. Okay. So 13 people are there now. 13 people who are all having ITL role. Those people will show here generally. That logic we will implement tomorrow, but we didn't implement that one here. Okay.
What?
Good. So reference qualifier is clear, everyone. If I ask a question on reference qualifier, you will be able to clear it up in a nice manner.
Yes.
Yes. So few things we will be completing later. I don't be missing them. They are very such an important topics. Okay, we will see later. If I tell now also, you don't understand. That is the reason I am not telling it. Okay. Good.